being the case, go to item number 3, confirmation of minutes. 3.1, ordinary council meeting on the 18th of October. Is there any points of clarification or any matters arising to those minutes? Right, there being the case, could I have a mover, please, for those? Thank you, Councillor Boddy. Seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried. 3.2, ordinary council meeting on the 30th of October. Do I have any points of clarification on those minutes? Councillor Park.
Oh, yes, Your Worship. I just think that it's great that on the meeting 2 weeks before that actually the national shakeout was practiced by the governance, considering that down at Waitahanui the earthquake centred in Taumarunui was felt.
Exactly. Thank you, Councillor Park. You have a points of clarification on those minutes? Yours? Sorry? Yeah. So we could adjust the tables for Councillor Boddy. Be much appreciated. Thank you very much, Mr. Fox. All right. 4 point. So could I have a mover for those minutes, please? Moved by Councillor Kingy, seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried.